Welcome. If you want to activate Live Listen in your AirPods Max, and first you have to open the settings. Of course, you have to be connected with your headphones and your iPhone or any iOS device. Next, when you are in the settings, you have to scroll down to the control center. Scroll down, find Hearing shortcut, and then tap on the plus to add it to the control center. Right now, we have to open the control center. Grab our headphones and put them on the head. Next, as you can see, we are connected with the headphones. The media play is switched automatically. You can also make it manually by going right here. Right here, so we can switch between the internal speaker and the headphones. Right now, we have to tap on this hearing icon, and here we can enable Live Listen. So as you can see, everything is fine. The Live Listen is turned on, and we can also measure the sound level around us. That's very simple, as you can see. To turn it off, just click here. And right now the Live Listen is not activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.